Place the ruler on the correct spot. Don't do it without and say you forgot. Straight lines, perfect, use that tool. Count your cubes, you need to follow this rule. It's all 3D, it looks like a box. If it's 5 high, you draw through 6 dots. And 3 cubes wide, well, you draw through 4. Count the total, then you add 1 more. Fill the inside with the squares you see. For example, look at the width, there's 3. Continue with the rest, but watch the side. You need to see the right face, son, it can't hide. Now you're done, so check for mistakes. Pretty soon you'll get the hang of sketching shapes.